recognize the fact that we've got two union kiddos that have birthdays tomorrow. Emma Elliott and Eric Flores. Say happy birthday. And now I want to introduce our character cats for this week who have been showing the character trait of trustworthiness. Can you guys come up on stage with me? Jules Torres. Marissa Kent. Elena Benton. Gertie Kravaka. Aiden Routon. Eric Flores. Madison Blackwell. And Emily Brown. Awesome work, guys. The character trait of trustworthiness is an awesome character trait to possess. So give a bow. Let's give them one more round of applause. You guys can sit right down here on the front of the stage for the rest of the assembly. Oh, I didn't wait for these guys to get up here. You can take your own private bow right now. All right, Miss May, it's your turn. All right, while our friend is getting set up here, I am going to announce Math Masters honors this morning since we missed that on Monday. But so when I say your name, will you stand up so we can recognize you? Level 1, Jorshman, Ethan Click, Xavier Gifford, Harper Lauer, Liam Murray, and Jackson Prado. Way to go. Level 2, Double Trouble, Becky Higgins and Aubrey Littlewalker. Level 3, Make 10, Jackson Ware. Level 4, Colton Dixon, Aliyah Horning, and Haley Pouchot. Level 5, Aiden Brewer and Asa Coronado. Level 6, Melanie Schaefer. Level 10, Jordan Smith and Joey Smith. Great work. Level 12, Hannah Emily Brown. And level 14, Miley Hawk and Craig Pacetti. Great job on all those math facts. You guys are awesome. Are you ready? I don't know how much more I can stall for you.
Word of the day, or something of the this, and so-and-so's got
Do we have our Wildcat football players here? See you guys. Traylon, what are you doing? Come on, Traylon. Yeah. Traylon is riding that scooter because that is a prize for the highest seller in the next fundraiser. Who wants that scooter? So the question was, what game does Nim play with her animal friends? Make sure that you have to get down here and find the winner. What game did Nim play with her animal friends? Can you talk to the show department and give me the answer? Give me the show department the answer. Jonathan Nava said, coconut soccer. Where's Jonathan? Great job, Jonathan. Awesome job. You guys are doing a great job reading your book and turning in answers. Remember, every time you put in an answer, I am putting you in that contest for Chica, Selkie, and Fred up there on the stage. You see them up there on the risers? All right. Jonathan, I've got a poster for you. Hey, remember tonight the Wildcats take on Booker T. Washington. If you want to run through the Wildcat head, you need to be there a little bit early so you can do that. Wear some Wildcat colors and run through with our football players. Also, Ms. Sherman's class spelled Wildcats, so they're going to do a victory lap today because they are all here on time every day. So let's cheer them on as they do a lap for us. Look out for all the stuff. If you guys were a little bit late, join your classes so that they won't run into you. All right, let's cheer on Miss Sherman's class. Way to go for your great attendance.